Okay. Hey, come on in. Come on in. All right. Yeah, just have a seat. Yeah, you can sit right there. Perfect. Okay, you're not in trouble. Don't worry. I love being your agent. Trust me, the money is amazing. I mean, I just love you. So that's great. Okay. So, I understand that you got a part. Yeah, you're gonna be in the theater, be in the big time, the big money. That's what I'm talking about. You knew you could trust me. I told you I would set you up. Okay, so we're gonna go over some performance tips. All right. I know this director. Okay, and I know that you're kind of new. We're not gonna tell anybody. Don't worry. Nobody's gonna know that you weren't on Broadway or something like that. Okay, I just snuck that in there. Anyway, so the first thing you're gonna want to remember, okay, is you're gonna want to be really quiet and still during performance. Okay, so when you're watching the other people perform, silent, zip it. I'm talking like if cousin Vinny from the mafia was over there. Not that I would know anything about that, but you're gonna be quiet. Shh. Silent. Okay, the next thing, this is a good little tip. You're gonna have your supplies when it's your turn ready to go. Ready. Like if you need a cup, if you need some water, if you need a script, you need your script, you need your pencil, you need your costume, whatever it is, you are ready before. Okay. Next thing, don't you be distracting those performers. Now that's going to be a little difficult for you. I mean, look at you. You're basically a goddess. So, but try not to move, talk, distract the performers while they're up there, okay? Your time will come. Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sweetie. Yes. Oh, my gosh. Okay, the next thing. You got to be part of the team. You are on the big league now. So, be supportive before, during, and after the performances. I'm talking you are clapping. You are out there and after the performance. Okay? After the performances, you are just so, even though obviously, okay, I'm better, whatever. But no, you don't let on. You just say, oh, God, that was wonderful. And then you can also give any kind of constructive help, okay? Don't be afraid to do that. Oh, no, I did not. I'm sorry, 1 second. I did not order that. No, that is for next. Yes, that is for next week. Yes. No, today is the day that I get my manicure. Yeah, bring them in. Yes, exactly. Okay. I don't know what to do with these people. Okay. So, when it's appropriate, give the feedback, but after the performance, but only if it's appropriate. Also, one last thing, do not do this, the director. I'm just telling you, the director will not like this. Do not get up and leave or move around during a performance. Do not get out of that seat. Just sit there like a stone, like this. No, don't do that because that's kind of creepy. Anyway, but yeah, don't move during the performance, and after you're done, you clap. You're so happy. You lean forward. You're so happy. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy for all of you because I'm part of this team and we're all an ensemble. And yeah, so that's what you do. You wait. Don't move. Okay, so let's just review that. I know you got it, but I just to make sure. Okay, so first, be quiet and still. Good. Have supplies ready in advance. Try not to distract any of the performers. Be supportive during, before, and after all the performances. Keep criticism constructive. Only offer it if appropriate. And then do not enter or leave the the area, the classroom, or wherever it is during a performance. Okay, sweetie, you got this. I am so happy for you. You just keep making the money, okay? All right, you come see me whenever you need to. Yeah, I am here for you. Yeah.